So my name is Ayesha. I'm a Fulbright alum 2006 to 2009. I did my MFA in film production, and now I am a yoga and meditation teacher. I also teach at NUST, but this is what I do because this I find fulfilling and I find this to be the purpose of my life. So what is yoga? Our understanding of yoga is as an exercise or very physical. But yoga is so much more. It's much deeper than that. The exercise is only one dimension of going through the deeper layers of your existence. तो जब हम जिंदगी को देखते हैं जैसे कि हम अभी हैं, our attention is always focused outward. You know, what is happening outside. You had a lot of sessions in the morning which were about connecting with each other. But we very rarely think about connecting with ourself. And the more connected we are to ourselves, the more connected we are to the world in an authentic manner. And the greater is our ability to influence life and manifest our intentions positively. So as artists and as creatives, I feel this is a great tool to have. Because you have to look at possibilities, you have to think out of the box, you have to come up with new ideas. And if you have a relaxed, meditative mind, you're able to create. A stressed mind is never able to create. So what is a stressed mind? A stressed mind is either in the future or in the past. So either we are thinking, oh, abhi kya hoga, next event mein kya hoga, ya humne subah kya kiya tha, humne lunch mein kya khaya tha, you know, and you're not here, you're not here, you're not here. And the now is really all that you have. The past is gone, and there is no guarantee about the future. We don't know about the next second. So the more you increase your presence, the better your life is. And जितना ज़्यादा individual life बेहतर होती है, उतनी ज़्यादा collective life बेहतर होती है. Yes? Good? So for some time, we will try and connect with ourselves. How do we connect with ourselves? Now, ये जो मैंने सारी बात की, that is intellectual. That is my mind telling your mind something. But life is an experience. And artists understand that, right? When you create something, that's an experience. That's not a conversation that you have with somebody intellectually. You feel it in your being. So your breath is something that controls your mind. If you can control your breath, you can control the state of your mind. And we will just have a brief experience of that. Also, meditation is not about results. So you're not trying to achieve anything. So it's a journey from effort to effortlessness. So when you meditate, you surrender completely. You are not thinking, oh, after 15 minutes, I will feel like this. No. You don't know how you will feel. But however you feel, it is all right. Okay? Yes? And your breath is your breath. So I can breathe for myself, I cannot breathe for you. So you have to breathe. All you have to do is commit to breathing. I find it very fascinating when I ask people कि सांस लें, तो वो सांस नहीं लेते. इतना मुश्किल हो जाता है उस वक्त उनके लिए सांस लेना कि अभी हम सांस क्यों लें? जब सांस लें, it's all that you have, really. If you don't have your breath, you don't have your existence in this dimension. Okay? Good. So we'll close our eyes and keep them closed and not try and see what the other person is doing after 2 seconds because it's not important. We'll just connect to what we are doing. And if people can really just settle and not disturb others, that would be nice. Even the camera people, I want everybody to settle for 15 minutes. Thank you. So everybody, close your eyes. Close your eyes. When you have your eyes open, I can see you. Close your eyes, stand tall. Sit with your spine erect. Take a long, deep breath in. And breathe out. Take another long, deep breath in. And breathe out. Take your attention to your breath. Keep breathing with full awareness. Become aware of your environment. अपना ध्यान अपने माहौल की तरफ ले जाएं. Become aware of all the sounds in the environment. Make sure you're sitting comfortably. If you want to put your legs up, then sit cross-legged on the chair. If you're comfortable with your legs on the floor, then keep sitting like this. Whatever is comfortable for you. Become aware of the sound of somebody whispering in the background. ये जो लोगों के बात करने की आवाज़ है, इसको महसूस करें. Become aware of the sound of the cell phone ringing. Become aware of the sound of the beep in the background, of the utensils in the kitchen. Accept all these sounds in the environment and become one with them. इन सारी आवाज़ों के साथ एक हो जाएं. Take a long, deep breath in and breathe out. Take your attention to your body. Your body is a beautiful gift from nature. Feel the gratitude in your heart for your body. Be kind to it, treat it with love. Take your attention to your right foot. Take your attention to your right knee. Take your attention to your right thigh. Take your attention to your left foot. Take your attention to your left knee. Take your attention to your left thigh. Take your attention to your navel region. अपना ध्यान अपने स्टमक के ऊपर ले जाएं. Take your attention to your chest. Take your attention to your heart. Feel the gratitude in your heart for this moment, for being here right now. Take your attention to your throat. Take your attention in the middle of your eyebrows to your third eye. Take your attention to your crown chakra, to the top of your head. Take a long, deep breath in and breathe out. Keep focusing on your breath. Keep your attention inward. Take a long, deep breath in and breathe out. Take your attention to your thoughts. अपना ध्यान अपने ख्यालात की तरफ ले जाएं. Become aware of your thoughts. Good thoughts or bad thoughts, don't judge your thoughts. आपके जहन में जो भी ख्यालात आ रहे हैं उनको आने दें. उनको जज करने की कोशिश ना करें. Become one with your thoughts. Like clouds in the sky, Let your thoughts come and go. Take a long, deep breath in and breathe out. Become aware of your emotions. Take your attention to your emotions. Pleasant or unpleasant. Accept all your emotions without judgment. आपको जो भी महसूस हो रहा है उसको एक्सेप्ट करें, अच्छा या बुरा, don't judge it. Take a long deep breath in and breathe out. Take another long deep breath in and breathe out. You are peace. You are joy. You are complete in your being. Take your attention to your heart. Make a silent wish and surrender it to the universe without any attachment. Feel the gratitude in your heart for all that you have received and for all that you have not received. And whenever you feel complete, slowly rub your palms together. Slowly rub your palms together. Whenever you feel complete, slowly rub your palms together. Place them over your eyes, and with a big smile on your face, you may open your eyes. Was it good? Yes? So if you just do this every day, you'll be very good to yourself for 20 minutes. You can do this every day, take 20 minutes for yourself. Lots of love and blessings. Thank you so much for your presence.